The motivation to become a scientist, for me it came very early in my life. Since I can remember myself as a person, I remember that I wanted to be a scientist, although I didn't have much of an idea of, wow, well, what was it, right? You imagine that you will, I don't know, wear a spacesuit and go in a mission, but okay, fine. I went to a summer school where a scientist from here was giving a lecture, and it was a very good lecture, so it was good motivation, and for me that was the point when I decided, okay, I would like to go there, work with this person, work in that group. We are transitioning to studying this in the DES, and the next step... My name is Marcela Soares Santos. I am a grad student at the University of São Paulo, and I'm here at Fermilab at the Center of Particle Astrophysics doing the research that goes into my thesis. My thesis is about galaxy clusters and dark energy. We count galaxy clusters as a function of mass and redshift. That's one parameter that will help us understand what's the nature of dark energy, understand about the accelerated expansion of the universe.
When you come to Fermilab, you're invited for, we call it the interview marathon.
It's 2 straight days of interviews, 1 hour with each person.
Who ask you what you did and who try to figure out if you're suited to come to Fermilab and get a postdoc offer.
Coming to Fermilab, it was something like 95 degrees, 95% humidity. And I'm talking to all of these people, and of course I'm sweating profusely, mopping my forehead, trying to convince them that I know what I'm talking about and they should hire me. I think they really want to make sure that people are a good match for Fermilab.
So I sent applications to all institutions that were part of this experiment and had positions available.
Now Fermilab in particular, because of it's a national laboratory, offer a lot of resources and opportunities that just simply cannot be matched by other universities.
There is a difference between being a postdoc at a big lab or being a postdoc in a university.
Which one is best really depends on the type of personality and the type of goals the future postdoc wants to have.
In total, it was the one that for me sounded like the best.
I think there's a lot of support for postdocs to start their own projects or to start their own analysis from an existing project and really kind of show their individual work, which is really important for the future of someone who's going to be a scientist.
So Fermilab is an ideal place for physics analysis, for technical development, and for all which is related to LHC and CMS physics.
Now Fermilab itself is actually special amongst the national labs.
As the only real high-energy physics lab left in the United States, and one of the few high-energy physics labs in the world.
I expected freedom to essentially pursue what I wanted to pursue, the kind of projects I wanted, and I got it. And I was able to do the projects I decided to be best for me.
There's inherent diversity in not just the work we do, but also the people we meet.
I'm going back to Brazil now in a week from now to defend the thesis, and in October I will start here as a postdoc.